Hi everyone, James Harder here at Williams Ford, Sayre, Pennsylvania. Today we're just going to show you the perpendicular park assist. I don't have to do anything but press this button, but we're going to show you a how-to video on how to do this in the brand new 2020 Ford Explorer. So you just press the parking button, you want to pick the perpendicular park, and then you just drive forward. It has found a spot, so you want to stop. It'll tell you to shift into neutral and hold the park button. Let go of the brake. I'm not pressing the brake or the gas. And you are finished. It puts you back in the park, so you don't even have to put it back in park. Pretty simple process on that. I didn't touch the steering wheel, the brake, or the gas, and it will park right next to that vehicle that's next to you there. Alright, now we're going to show you the parallel park assist, which is also another feature on the 2020 Ford Explorer. Press the button. You want to have your left turn signal on because that's where we're going to try to park, parallel park on the left side. Drive forward. All right, space found. Release the steering wheel, put it in neutral, hold the park button. And it puts it in park for you. As you can see, lined up right in front of the vehicle here. Perfect for city driving, or if you're taking a test, you could show the driving instructor, look, I don't need the parallel park to pass the test. It does it right for you. You can find this vehicle on our website, williamsfordpa.com, or stop down and see us at 1538 North Elmira Street in Sayre. Don't hesitate to call us and ask us more questions about this. Our phone number here is 570-888-2366. We'll be happy to help you and happy to hear from you.